everybody, welcome to my channel, Creative by Nature, Art and Life. Today I have a junk journal thrift haul to share with you all, so let's get right into it. So the one local thrift store was having a 50% off sale store-wide, and I went and looked through their handkerchiefs and their doilies and linens, and I found two of these strawberry fabrics. I thought they were so cute. Now, I'm not sure, I might let my daughter have these. If she doesn't, I thought these would be so cute for journals. So there was two of those. And then there was this really pretty piece. This is linen with some weaving. I thought this actually would make a great journal cover. I thought it would be beautiful. It would make a pretty big journal, but there would be lots of room for the spine. So I just thought that was so pretty. I also found these really pretty buttons. And so these and the doilies or handkerchiefs fabric was 25 cents each. So I didn't find a whole lot at that store. It was really picked over already, but I'm kicking myself because there was a big roll of natural cotton. And I should have grabbed it because that makes great covers for journals as well. But the museum still has their book sale on, and they have that regularly now, so it's a fundraiser for them. But I found this golden book Christmas Carol, and the images in here are perfect for Christmas time. Isn't that just so adorable? And of course it's got all these Christmas carols as well, but I'm actually more after the images. I thought they were just so cute. I don't have a whole lot for Christmas journals, so when I saw this, I just thought it would be absolutely perfect. I thought that was really cute with the deer on the top and this family around the Christmas tree. So that is that Carol book. And then I found this one. Again, the images are really cute, and it's got poetry in it. So I could use, of course, the images, or, you know, you could cut out the poems in here as well and insert them into a journal. Really cute images in here. So got that. And these were, I believe, 50 cents each. Yeah, they were 50 cents each. All right, so the other thrift store that's local to me, I grabbed this doily. I thought this would be great for a Christmas journal, and it was only 50 cents. And then I found these trims. This one's yellow daisies. I have this actually in purple daisies, and I thought the yellow would be great for spring and summer. And this was only 75 cents for 1.5 meters. And then there was this trim. Again, I thought this would be great for a Christmas journal. So that was 3 meters for 75 cents. And this is what I was really excited about. So I found two bundles of fabric, and they were $5 for each bundle. But there is a lot of fabric here. And you can tell that these were actually samples, so they are really good quality. And they have a lot of great images. So I live in a farming community, so I thought this would be appropriate. You could cut out the images, or, you know, use this as a cover. And then I thought this was really pretty too. It says, "Bless your heart." And then there was a lot of these like blue and natural. And then this bundle had some metallics in it. So this is cream and gold. It's like a tea towel weave. Now there are some holes in it from wherever it was placed or bound together. Like I said, these are samples. So, but if you're using them for journals, then that doesn't really matter. So. And then there's lots like this I thought this one was really pretty. This would actually make great Christmas journal right here. And so with these two, these ones are bigger. There's these. This whole bundle here is going to actually be great for Christmas. This one had interesting looking cats. And there's lots of just neutrals, more metallics. So that was this bundle. And then this one was more, I would say for like summer or spring and summer. That one has some pheasants on it. That one could be used for fall for sure. But then these, a lot of these are colors that I would use. Well, some of them could be used for fall and Christmas time as well, but there wasn't any metallics in this bundle. But the fabrics are really, really good quality, so I knew that they would be great for journals, so couldn't pass that up. But $5 each. So that was my haul. It wasn't a huge one, but I was really excited to share these fabric finds with you all. And let me know what your favorite item here that you saw and any of the fun things you've been finding in your thrift stores. We'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.